Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Confirm your game version and the texture pack's compatible build so you avoid mismatches. Backup saves and the original resource pack folder. This prevents data loss. Install the mod loader or resource pack manager the pack requires, then open its interface. Once done, locate the brightness texture pack file you downloaded and verify its file name and extension. Make sure the pack isn't compressed in multiple nested folders before moving to the next setup steps. You'll now install and configure the pack. Place the brightness texture pack folder or zip into the game's resource pack directory, then open the in-game resource pack menu and enable it. Set its load order higher than conflicting packs so textures override correctly. Adjust in-game brightness and shader or post-processing settings to match the pack's intended look, because the visual effect depends on both textures and rendering settings. Once stable, test in varied lighting to confirm the expected brightness levels. Finish by validating visuals across different biomes and lighting. You want consistent brightness everywhere. If something looks off, disable other resource packs one at a time or change load order to find conflicts, and clear the game's texture cache or restart the client to force a fresh load. If installation corrupts files, restore your backup and repeat the install steps carefully. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched game version is the most common cause. Confirm versions before retrying to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.